We're at Secrets Cap Cana, Bird Club beach area. There's Sean.
Hi, we're at the Secrets Cab Cana, KVS Travel, Sean and Amanda. Room 2001, the Preferred Club, Beachfront, Swim Out, Bungalow Suite. Preferred Club. Did I say that already? Preferred Club, Swim Out, Bungalow, Beachfront Suite. It's a lot of words. Come on in. We're gonna first check out the bathroom. We're gonna go right inside, you come in, got a comfortable little couch area and a dining area. Beautiful sink here. Beautiful sink area. So you know that splashing is some of those bowl type sinks that make a mess everywhere. Slants, all contemporary, nice. And it drains downhill, nice stone accent, and the lit up mirror. Water closet, and a beautiful double rain head shower with wand accessory. And check out, this is the bonus feature of this room. This is what makes it a bungalow suite. Come through here. So you come out back and you have your outdoor shower, and it's a really large area. So this is your bungalow suite part. Outdoor shower and wand. After a long day of swimming in the pool or walking around a property, you're sweating, you take a nice shower and then get in your pool. Or whatever, or just shower each night out here. I'd rather shower out here. I mean, I can shower inside back in the States. That was right, I love it. So then, in here, and we have, let's go to the bedroom. So, in here we have storage, the safe, your robes, your slipper, extra pillow and blanket. So here's the box, your room service box. They will deliver your room service here. Especially if you have do not disturb on there, they'll deliver right in here. And then when you're done with the dirty dishes, you don't have to have them laying around. You stick them in here, close the box. Only certain people have the key, room service does, to get into that box on the outside. Here's if you need service, do not disturb, or if you need service, got buttons right here, okay? 4-poster king size bed, little sitting bench here. Spa, you get Pringles, Milky Ways, M&Ms, little bottles of liquor. Don't be down on these. You know they're legit, they're clicked and they're sealed. Nobody's filled up with cheaper liquor. You know, that has been known to have from time to time. You got Dewar's, Bacardi, Absolute, and they also have Bacardi, like the light rum. I saw that in another room. Bottles of water, an espresso machine. In the wet bar.
Mini bar.
The mini bar, I'm sorry. Bottle of water, club, soda, Coke, Fanta, El Presidente light and regular, and juice boxes. So it's Coke products here at Secrets. Work area. And here's why we booked the room. Because it's a swim out. Oh yeah, you had the every room has the tablet. And you can do everything. Like we already ordered room service. We're starving today. It's been a long day. We switched to resorts. Everything on here. You click hotel and then in-room dining. So dining and drinks. And then there's in-room dining in there. Services, in-room dining, lunch, dinner, night menu, premium wines, everything's in there, okay? And when you book with KVS Travel, why do you use a travel agent? Because if you book, what do you want, Amanda? Say it.
The lighting when you stand in front of the window, I can't see.
Oh, I'm sorry. When you book, let's go outside then. Can you see me out there?
Yeah.
I'm muted. So here's the swim out suite, and we requested the corner unit, and since we have a great relationship with Secrets, they provided the corner unit for us. Nice little table to have drinks, relax, a coffee, whatever. Lunch. Look at this view. Sit down, man. Sit down and show them what they get when they book a trip to KVS Travel in this room. And here's the swim out suite. That pillar, yeah. And you can see we have the corner, so it's going to be more private. You can see how there's other people here because I see a rafty there and somebody a glass. Point is, there's nobody around. You have this whole area pretty much uninhabited to ourselves. And that's the beauty of getting these swim out suites. A lot of times the people don't even use them. So you get this whole pool area. And then we're on the corner, so we have more privacy. I mean, it's pretty awesome. So why would you use a travel agent, you might be asking? Why wouldn't you? We charge no fees. You get what you want. We represent you. When you book directly with a resort, they're looking out for themselves. They're not really representing you. When you book online with like a cheap discount place, there's no customer service there at all. With us, we know the people. We request rooms. Like if you want the N unit, or let's say you want to have, look at the difference. Well, don't show them the difference. There's a difference. Go ahead. I already blew it. So on those rooms that are not N units, they have those little sun pads that you can relax on. The N unit does, and the N unit has more space. So we can request that room. And what's that?
Early check-in.
Request early
late
check-in.
checkout.
A lot of stuff we can request for you. Make sure, and we communicate with the resort before you come.
We make sure the requests get through. They're not guaranteed, but we know that they received the request.
We know which butler to request as your butler. There's better butlers than other butlers. And we try to make sure they meet your expectations because you're spending good money for a room like this and you want to make sure you're getting what you pay for. Right, so that's KVS Travel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you something off this. If you've already subscribed and you book with us, you're gonna get taken care of like you always have. You should know that we respond to our calls and texts immediately. If you don't hear back from me in 24 hours, that means I didn't get your message. Text me is always the best way to get right back to you. Shoot me an email at sean@kvstravel.com. Now put your phone number. People send me this stuff. I don't book anything or do any kind of work without talking to you, finding out what your needs, your budget, and all that stuff is. We don't do online bookings on our booking engine. I have to disable that because everything is done directly through us. So give me a call, 610-334-1917, and you can have this. It's a great honeymoon. Great anniversary. It's a great getaway with your wife, with your girlfriend. Live music, piano at the pool bar at the Secrets Cana, and they have a surfboard sailing around with sushi. Not many places you get to see that. Yeah, he is good. So that's live. Here I'm zooming in on the sushi guy. He's serving people sushi. I don't know. People would like to know that there's sushi in the pool, but everything's